Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Mate 20X and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. There choose Settings, Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now we have PG3. To visible game or applications Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, enter our connect pin and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow or included underrated, config by others, and save. You can also turn off your parental controls by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!